Pero ikaw, anong sa tingin mo? Worth it nga ba bumili ng Nike Mind? 5,000 plus pesos ang SRP nito. Nabebenta siya ng almost half its price. From 9,000 to 12,000. Depende pa sa sizes. So narito na nga yung pinakabagong Nike Mind. At ito nga yung pinakabagong technology ng Nike. It touches the sensory receptors ng paa natin. Kaya naman nakakatulong daw to mag-activate ng ating mind.
Athletes all over the world agree, mindset is key in any sport. Introducing Nike's first mind-altering shoe, the Nike Mind One. Other shoes dampen sensation. Mind One amplifies it, utilizing 22 individually articulated nodes in the midsole. Nike Mind technology is scientifically shown to activate your senses via the thousands of sensory receptors underfoot.
Well, honestly, after trying, yes, may mararamdaman ka talagang kakaiba habang suot mo to. Kung makikita niyo yung rubber na yan, talagang nagpupush siya. Actually, parang nga siyang laruan eh. At yes, komportable naman siya gamitin. Personally, hindi ko lang marirecommend na mabasa to dahil tela yung loob niya tapos tela din to.